Okay everyone, today we are doing a 2019 revisit of a Petro gas station located on Shepherd Avenue East in Toronto. And we're going to be doing a revisit on the rail Hanna tunnel. So here we go. This is going to be a really hard turn on the conveyor belt. Doors are opening. Am I going to miss it? Yes, I hit it okay. Okay, there we go. Car's in neutral. Alright, hold on. I am, hold on. The thing's not even. Hold on, I have to put this down for a second. Sorry everyone. There we go. Took it. And there we go. Yeah. And this is the Super Rooks wash. We got it for $5 a few weeks ago. And we have 10 other washes to do at Petro. So here we go. Okay, so there's no wait and go sign. That's what trails do it when you're back. Yeah, it's pushing us forward a bit. Now I can go ahead and put trail shut down. Okay, let's go with the fail and see how well the wash did. Interesting how they took out the wait and go sign like last time. Okay, so let's pull up over here. There we go. The equipment is shutting down. Now let's take a look and see how well the cars did. Drivers did well on the sides, except from here. And up for me too. And up for windows. Seems drives didn't do well on the back window. That's the fifth spot here. The drives didn't do well on the back as well too. It didn't clean up fifth, that was there before we went into the wash, which is really interesting. It drives around the sides. Clean for tires too. And we did well in the front. Dryer. Here. And clean for front tires. So yeah, that's how well the wash did. Not bad. And here for superior dryers too. So yeah. Anyways, I think that'll be it for me. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.